guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino.
I'm Adam and this is Twyla, and on this getaway we're at St Arnaud, which is a couple of 2.5 hours northeast
Of Melbourne?
Northwest
Northwest
of Melbourne.
Welcome to St Arnaud Caravan Park. I'm going to take you in, show you around all the facilities and the accommodation. Now, if you bring your pooch along and they get a bit dirty, they also have a dog wash here. You just put your gold coins in and you can wash away and make your dog smell great again. Also, if you're not the most confident person backing up a van or even an RV, they've got these four spots here where you can just drive on through. How awesome is that? Now, if you're like us and you have an awning, you're gonna love this, what they've done here. You're able to tie down without using pegs. They have a little grass area for everybody next to your van, and then over here you've got these little loops that you can tie anything you want down to. How awesome is that? What a great idea. And then you know your awning is not gonna blow away. Now, what's that old saying? Location, location, location. Well, this place is only a 5-minute walk into town, so you can explore it all and leave your car behind. And also, if it's a hot day and you want to swim, there is the local swimming pools where they don't charge you anything to enter, and that is literally hop, skip and jump away. But anyway, guys, I hope you've liked this caravan park tour. Well, did you enjoy your afternoon nap, Adam?
We did.
Yes?
Aircon's on, yeah, so she's got a bit more energy now, I think.
Yeah, she does. It does cool down a little bit now, so we can go outside and start thinking about cooking dinner. Adam's just got a beer ready to crack, and we're going to relax. Let's go out and show you our setup for the night. So we're loving the fact that we've got this fake turf. How cool is that? And then we've already got dinner starting to be cooked. We're doing this in 3 stages. So we're having Caesar, well, I'm having a Caesar salad wrap. Adam's having a Caesar salad. Well, or you're going to have the wrap?
No, salad.
Salad. But mine is the croutons, because we forgot to bring some bread to make the croutons. But yeah, you can move that. We've got, our phone's about to run flat, so we've got them on our charger. Always bring yourself one of these, they're good. I mean, we can charge inside, but if you're still using your phone, you can charge on that. And also, we've got a whole heap of information to go through that we collected on our travels today. Look at it all. So we want to go through that so we can do a few things in the morning and make sure we don't miss out on anything. But anyway, all right, well, we're going to kick back, have a little drinky poos and get tea on. All right, eggs are done. Now we've got the bacon cooking, so that's the next step. Keeping it simple tonight. Adam's out there shooting drone footage, and while he's doing that, I'm here cooking up the chicken and about to peel the eggs. All right, so now it's time to put it all together. So Adam is...
Quick salad.
Now, normally you just have plain salad, but Adam brought this salad, so we're not going to let it go to waste. And then what dressing have you got?
Well, a ranch dressing.
Ranch. Can you show us?
Ranch is...
So you can get Caesar dressing, but we love ranch. Well, I love it.
Is that too much? I think I've used half a bottle.
Yeah, that's awesome. And we've got the bacon, so I'm going to throw the bacon through. We're going to throw the chicken through. We're going to toss it, and then we're going to pop it in. Well, I'm popping mine in one of these wraps, and then I'm going to place the egg on top. So that's how Adam's looks. He's just having a Caesar salad, obviously without the croutons and without a carrot. So a little bit different to normal, but that's okay. And then you got to have the piece of resistance.
Oh gosh.
Which was,
too much cheese?
Well, the parmesan. But Adam, what is this? Parmesan with a bit of A bit of Caesar.
I'm Italian.
You are Italian. And then I've got the mountain bread, and I'm going to roll mine. So that's it. And I'll put a bit of salt and pepper on mine as well. So, and of course, Twyla needs her treat. She loves a bit of Parmesan. Her dad's Italian. Well, one of her daddies. And she loves her pasta. That's it for another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.